The blizzard of '09. I mean, we already been through so much this year, but it had to, you know, do this. Just to add on our pile of stress. I mean, it's beautiful, yeah. People walking. I'm waiting for the ice cream truck. You know, no matter what type of weather, they always seem to show up, you know. So, they came around once. I'm hoping that they'll make it around again, but I don't know. Ice cream truck always shows up, no matter what type of weather. Whoa, shit.
Oh, shit.
Let's see if we can make it to the truck.
To the truck to go get a blunt. This is the best that I could find.
High heels, still looking good in the snow.
I wasn't trying to look good, but the weather.
Ooh. The blizzard of '09 going down full coverage.
We made it. Whoa. Shit. Hey! You trying to get the blunt.
Can we get a cigarillo? Strawberry. Strawberry. I said the good old ice cream truck always shows up, no matter what type of weather.
He's trapping in the snow.
It's tough out here.
I know.
It ain't that cold to us. Getting around is kind of tough.
Yeah, look at the street.
We just at the door like, where's the truck?
Y'all late today. We've been out here.
Oh, we saw you. I miss you.
One second. That's all.
You keep the train.
I don't want that much.
No, keep it. Y'all out in the snow.
You trap it in the snow.
Hey. Alright. Thanks. You too. Woo! I thought I was gonna go.
Stop falling. You think we'd be excited for the snow, but we're excited for this.
Yes, sir. Right on time. Woo! The blizzard of '09. They made it back, y'all. Groceries and all. Because if they didn't have those bags, they wouldn't be getting through this door.
We did it.
They did it.
Hell out there.